What's up? It's your boy RK Richard, and today I'm going to try to tackle my shower head in my basement. It's leaking. Okay, so when I turn on the water, you'll see that it's leaking in the back there. You see that? We don't want that, so I'm gonna try to see if I can fix it. So in order for me to get access to it, this is by the way, this is a Moen shower head. That's the brand called. It's called Moen. It's the shower. So yeah, we're gonna have to unscrew this part. Ooh, slowly there. And you can see the previous owners. So previous owners of this suite, my basement here before I bought this house, they put some kind of thread in there, but obviously it's not working too well. So we'll screw it and we'll see what's going on in here. I've taken this off earlier, and it's really gunky in there, and I cleaned it out. What I had done was I tried to put in a washer, and there you can see it, that black tubing there, the black rubber stuff. There's a washer that I put in there to see if it created a bit of a seal. It's a 11/16 washer, but it's done nothing. So I might have to try to do the same thing where I put some more of that plumber's tape on the inside and see if maybe it does anything. So let's find out. So first, before I do anything, I'm gonna try to get as much of this shit off. Let's use a rag and see if I can get it off. It's not coming off easy. Might have to, of course I'm doing this with one hand. I'm gonna have to get a wire brush or something like that and see if I can scrape it off. So initially I was using 1/2" plumber's tape, but I'm actually gonna try using 3/4 plumber's tape and see what success I may or may not have. Okay, so I put some plumber's tape on there. I was able to get a lot of that previous stuff off, so I just kind of dried it off as best I could, and I just rolled it in with some of the 3/4" plumber's tape around there, and we're gonna screw the head back on and see what happens. So I got it screwed on there. Tighten it as much as I can. Gloves are still kind of wet, so I'm just kind of drying my hand a little bit. Moment of truth, let's see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on, see if it's leaking. Look at that. No leaks whatsoever. Looks like this is a success. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on, see if it's leaking. Look at that. No leaks whatsoever. Looks like this is a success. So let's get another vantage point to make sure it's not leaking again. Turn the water on. Okay, so upon a little bit of further investigating, in the shower head, there's just a tiny little bit of water that was still sneaking by. So what I did is that I tightened it up a little bit, the shower head, and some of y'all ain't gonna like this, but I used a tiny little bit of silicone that I just put around the where the plumber's tape was, just towards the end, and that seemed to do the trick. So there you have it. Got the leak fixed. It's your boy RK Richard. Like and subscribe.